Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pusheen as an angel. So let's get started. To draw this cute angel, let's start by drawing the top of Pusheen's head. So I'm going to come right here and right in the center. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. So this is right on top of her head. And then from there we're going to go up for her ears. So let's go up. And as we come to the edge right here, the tip, just round it off and come down. So same thing over here. Go up, and at the tip, round it off and come down. So you have our ears in. So then now let's just bring this down a little bit more. We're just going to bring out a curve. So I already know the body is just going to be really long, so I'm just going to keep bringing this down. And so then before I finish the rest of the body, let's come back up and draw some details for the face. So let's come up first here and we're going to draw the 3 stripes on the top. So it's basically drawing a U, 3 of them and 1 right in the center. And so then now let's come straight down in the middle and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point, and from that point I'm going to draw a curve that comes out on both sides. So this is for the mouth and nose area, right in the center. And then we're going to come to the side of this and draw a circle for the eyes. So same thing on the other side. And I'm going to come in here and give it a little highlight on each eye and then shade the rest in. Same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now let's come to the side of the eye right here and we're going to draw 2 curves right here, slight curves for the whiskers, and same thing on this side. Make this one a little bit thicker. Okay, so we have that in. Now let's bring this down a little bit more. Okay, so then from there I'm going to come to the center about right here, right under the mouth, and I'm going to draw her hands. So remembering where my center is, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve that comes up for one hand, and same thing on the other side. Kind of making it look like her hands are put together as an angel, right? And then now we can go ahead and finish the rest of her body. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it and bring it down pretty low. So about right there, I'm gonna start to bring it in. So it's all up to you how long you want to make Pusheen. So about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. And in this area, because I have her feet, I'm going to come right underneath the eye. So about right here, in this area, I'm just going to draw her feet. So it's just a little curve. Comes out, but if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and connect this curve. So right underneath this eye, just the same thing. A little curve for the feet hanging out, and then now we can go ahead and finish this curve. Just bring it all together, and then now let's go ahead and draw the tail right in the center. So I'm just going to start right here and here. Just going to draw a curve and round it off and bring it right back. And then let's draw some stripes in here. So Pusheen has 3 stripes and 1 more. There. Okay, so now to make Pusheen an angel, let's give her wings, right? So kind of below the whiskers, about in this area right here. I'm just going to start right here, and I'm just going to bring out a big curve, making very simple angel wings. So one big curve, another one, So it's all up to you what kind of wings you want to make, but this would be the simplest kind. And just bring it right back in. And then you can come in here for some details if you like. Maybe 1, 2, and 3. And just flare out a curve. Just to give it some detail if you like. Or you can just leave it as is. Okay, so same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag 2 points across. And they're not going to be the same. It's okay. You just want approximately the same area at least. So I have my 2 points. I'm just going to come out, step back, and kind of take a look. So about right there. I'm just going to start to bring it in. So just remember I need to bring it back to here. So 2 and bring it back to there. And 3 there. So same thing once again, right in the middle. 1, 2, 3, and flare it out. Okay, so then now for the halo, if you're going to be coloring right away, just go ahead and use a orangey yellow marker and draw this oval in. But I wanted to show you with a Sharpie how to draw it. So it's just an oval right on top. So I'm just going to come down about right here. Just a big curve and then round off the tip right here, the edge I mean, and connect it. There. So once again, if you're going to be coloring right away, just get out your yellowish orange marker to draw this oval. I'm going to go ahead and thicken this without muddling it up. Bear with me as I try. So there, that's pretty much it for my Pusheen angel. Hope you love how it turned out and inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching. If you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.